what is vertical people? What is the animal kingdom? In the teaching of last weeks and months, with the cups we introduced the animal kingdom with the soul and physicality, where the soul of the man cup sits on the top and the soul of the planet sits at the bottom, and in between the inertia, and then what it comes, the physicality of the man, and then the soul of physicality. Then man, to keep this soul moving and alive, has to move and commit more crime. In the world of animal, it has to be moved to keep the soul fed, to keep the soul in the dimension of his existence. Today, I show you the soul of plants, the soul of a tree. And if you understand this, the soul of the man in interaction with the soul of the plant will create a condition that the plant gives what it needs by the soul without ever soul taking its life. You need this because of the national food security which is planned to destroy man. There will not be enough to eat. But a grain of rice can behave like a sun to absorb the energies from the universe to give to all mankind. You can feed man with one grain, the whole of humanity. Not to eat it, but use it as a source to absorb energies which the man needs as the strength of the grain. I am the creator, and I create conditions for my existence. Not by killing, but by creating conditions within my soul that the whole soul of the universe feeds me if I need, when I need. In the structure of the soul of the man, we saw that the cup of earth took its position at the bottom. We saw the cup of inertia in the material state took its position. In the plant kingdom, the soul of the plants takes position on the soul. Then with it, has with itself the condition of the physical soul. And then you have the physicality. This sits across the two borders, the soul of the plant. And if in the physicality of the man I cut your arms and legs, you do not die. So in the kingdom of the plants, you can cut what you like. The creation sits within. Then the plant dies. You can create that process. So dictates itself to what it wants to take to store in its legs and arms. We call the leaves and branches. This is the reality in God. by sitting, commit itself to permanent life as long as it's fed by the planet. Now you understand what is the difference. Now you understand mankind does not need to kill.